Welcome to our Dynamics in 3 minutes set of demos. And today we're going to be looking at the Dynamics Sales module, which is the core CRM platform helping sales people and sales teams manage their process from lead all the way through to quote and ultimately to win and then account management. So the process starts with a lead, where we can start to track all of the important information at the lead stage, such as qualification criteria, information about competitors, and we can start the process along this customizable process bar, which enables us to put in as many steps, as many stages, and data capture underneath. At this stage, we can also start to track the customer communications. So using the timeline here, we can track things like emails, appointments, and tasks, all of which natively integrate with Outlook. And we can also manage phone call records as well, giving us a full audit of who said what to who, and of course when and where as well. Looking inside of Outlook, the only difference would be this Dynamics pane, which lives over on the right hand side. And that's where you can start to create new records, you can track opportunities, and you can track emails and store copy of those in that timeline as we showed you. As you move the sale along, we can manage opportunities, which is really our pipeline, where we start to track how much this is worth, what the opportunity score might be based on different parameters. And we can also manage, again, that timeline, any reminders, and what we might want to do next as part of a sales sequence. We can also store our products inside of Dynamics, so we can pick those from a list. We can have controlled discounts, we can have controlled pricing and cost prices, and we can also create quotations directly from the system, exporting our templated documents out into Excel and then either downloading, saving to Dynamics, or emailing directly from the solution with some email engagement as well to track interaction, engagement, and to see whether actually this prospect might be interested in what we're sending to them. As we win the deal, we've then got full account management, so we can see who our customers are, all of the history of all of their opportunities and the deals and the bids that we might have done. And as you expand potentially into other Dynamics modules, you can see everything else that's happening, from customer service cases to project management to work orders, and also invoices from finance. And there's an abundance of reporting. So we can at quick glance see our pipeline, we can see our deal tracker. All of these views are all customizable, exactly the same as Excel, with filters. They're easy to move around, easy to manipulate your data. And we can also see the sales funnel as well, in terms of how much revenue we have at each stage of that business process flow that we shared. And of course, if we want to, we can get into some forecasting as well. So looking ahead, seeing what's in our pipeline, getting an understanding of how much we've won so far, how much we're predicted to win, and what our total prediction might be in terms of our targets, and also seeing how we might perform against that budget on a quarterly or an annual basis. And that's it. If you want to learn more about Dynamics for Sales, please get in touch with us today.